Hi, everyone. My name is Katie Little, and I'm the Associate Director for Faculty Success for the Institute for Learning and Teaching, or TILT, here on campus. TILT works with students, faculty, and graduate students to help them become more effective teachers and learners. TILT provides a number of resources and opportunities for graduate students, and I'd like to briefly introduce a few of these. So they include first-time graduate teaching assistant training, a graduate teaching certificate, and opportunities for professional development. TILT partners with the graduate school and other departments across campus to provide a required orientation for new graduate teaching assistants here at CSU. The orientation is offered each fall and spring, and there are hybrid and online sections. Some of the outcomes of this training include recognizing the importance of the role of a GTA at CSU and knowing where to locate resources to assist you in your position, being able to discuss current learning and teaching best practices, and then being able to apply those strategies for enhancing teaching and learning in your classroom, creating an inclusive classroom, and experience responding to situations that you're likely to encounter as a GTA. Our Graduate Student Teaching Certificate of Completion is open to all graduate students who think they may want to teach in the future. This program helps graduate students create a supportive, accessible, and inclusive classroom climate, use inclusive instructional strategies that engage all students, use classroom strategies that cultivate an effective, engaging, and productive environment, recognize reflection as a tool to refine future teaching practices, and create a teaching philosophy and persona informed by research-based practices. TILT also offers a number of professional development opportunities that graduate students are welcome to participate in. Our fall faculty ramp-up brings faculty and graduate teaching assistants up to speed with new and existing technology on campus. The TILT Summer Conference is an annual conference that focuses on teaching, learning, and student success. Our teaching effectiveness workshops align with the domains of our teaching effectiveness framework, which you can see here. We also offer workshops and resources on timely topics such as academic integrity, accessibility, and artificial intelligence. Our best practices in teaching courses are 3-week asynchronous Canvas courses on research-based instructional approaches. They cover topics like inclusive pedagogy, classroom climate, and critical thinking. If you're a graduate teaching assistant, you might consider participating in Teaching Squares, which is a peer observation program in which you can receive feedback on your teaching. TILT also offers communities of practice on timely topics related to teaching and learning, as well as book kits that you can check out from our lending library and use to lead a reading group. Again, as a graduate student, you're welcome and encouraged to participate in these professional development opportunities. I know this was a brief overview, so I encourage you to visit our website at tilt.colostate.edu to explore more of what TILT has to offer. In addition, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We look forward to working with you.